Hey everyone, this is Ankit Madan. I hope you are doing great. So let's get started with today's video. Now in this particular article, I'll be discussing about Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, who has some issues regarding premium plans which are offered by Vodafone and Airtel. Now there were rumors about TRAI that they are offering some sort of favors to Reliance Jio in order to create monopoly in the market and also to destroy the competition. So let's figure it out what the actual scenario was all about. So what happens is, few days ago there was an announcement made by Vodafone Idea and Airtel that they will be launching their premium plans and they will be providing better facilities to their premium customer, which cost around 1100 rupees and 500 rupees respectively. And also the internet facilities will be 50% higher as compared to their current plans. Also, Chief Marketing Officer of Airtel, Mr. Shashwant Sharma, he has also claimed this thing that they will be providing extra facility and better internet facility speed to their premium customer as they come as they are part of Airtel Thanks program, and while continuing the same services to their 280 million customer with the same passion. Now the thing is, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has claimed this thing that it is doing injustice to the consumer who are already their existing customer, as differentiating customer on such basis is actually an injustice. So what happened is, after such an issue, Airtel and Vodafone, they went to Telecom Dispute Settlement Appellate Tribunal, which means TEDSET, and they claim over there this thing, and TEDSET has said this thing that going for such a scheme and providing better facilities to their premium customer is not an injustice. This was statements which was made on 11th of July. This statement is not yet finalized. The final announcement is yet to be made by the TEDSET. Till then, it is said that it is not an injustice. Rather, in order to boost up the competition, it will be a better scheme which is to be launched by the company. So also let's figure it out, what were the parameters and on what basis TRAI is claiming such things. See, the main basis of TRAI's argument were very simple. See, what happens is, there are two type of networks. The first one is broadband networks and another one is cellular networks. In case of broadband networks, there is a pipeline which is allocated to the customer. Even if more customers are engaged over there, the speed is not segregated, the speed will be the same. But in case of cellular networks, there is a fixed path and fixed speed which is to be provided. I'll explain you with an example. Like for example, there is a tower, right, and that tower has a maximum capacity of producing 100 Mbps speed, right. In case of 100 Mbps, now for example, if 10 people are allocated to one tower, 10 Mbps per person will be allocated, right. In case even if more consumers are engaged, let's say 40 more customer are added, now the overall ratio, overall people is 50 and the speed will be around 2 Mbps, because 100 Mbps is the total capacity. 100 divided by 50, it will be around 2 Mbps. So it will be just like the whole speed will be segregated. Now what Airtel is claiming is that they won't be deteriorating the speed about the network quality to the existing customer. Rather, they will be providing 50% better services to their premium customer. Now the TRAI claim this thing that how can you provide such thing based on the cellular networks? This is not possible. In contrast to this, Airtel has claimed this thing that they are using better technology and services in order to provide services as far as internet speed is concerned. So Airtel is claiming this thing only, that if you have such facility or such technology, give to us some sort of explanation regarding the same, then only it will be acceptable to it that whether we should go for such policy or not. So this was the whole scenario. Let's see what the final judgment comes. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much, guys.